are here with Julie and Summer. I have been having so much fun with you. We laugh so much. And
hey, that's how the North Carolina pickle is. Lots of fun, lots of laughter.
That's right. And we're surviving.
Yes.
So, because these recipes are amazing. So this recipe is our drink, is in our drink or beverage category. Yes. So, and guess what? It's also from Miss Faye Moreland. And she is from what? Wichita?
Wichita Falls,
Texas. I'm telling you, by the end of the festival, I will get that straight. So what we're going to use, we're going to need 24 ounces of Kosher Dill Spears, one olive, of course.
Yes.
We're going to need half of a cup of granulated sugar, a packet of cherry flavored drink mix, and then we're going to need some frozen lemonade and 6 cups of ice, 1 lemon, toothpicks, and some glasses or cups. Okay, so are we ready?
We're ready. Yep.
What we're going to do, we are going to start placing the frozen lemonade concentrate. Here it is.
Maybe. Just kidding. There it comes. Maybe. It's frozen.
We were trying these before.
Okay, I need a spoon.
So while we fix that problem, I want to show you what we have done in here. So what we did, we drained the pickles, okay? And we reserved the juice. We added the cherry flavor in here. So, and then because we want to dye, I guess, yeah, dye the pickles. So you will see what we're doing with this, okay? But you have that step on your recipe. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna concentrate in the, not in the cherry drink, but in the lemonade flavor, basically.
If we get it, oh, there, now we finally got it.
You got it. So now what we're going to do, we need 4 cups of ice. Maybe just a little bit, okay? Okay, and now what we're going to need 4 of the
spears.
The spears.
Put a whole spear in there. It's gonna be yummy.
And I never told you what we were making.
Oh, what are we making? I know who made it, but I don't know what we're making.
We're making a dill and cherry Kool-Aid Kool-Pickle swirled slushes.
Okay.
And the picture is amazing, so hopefully
I know it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
So now what we're gonna need, a half of a cup of the pickle juice.
Okay.
So this pickle juice, and we just need to measure half of a cup.
And you know, whenever I finish a jar of pickles, I always drink my pickle juice. Always. It's good for you.
Yeah,
Never
it is
throw it out.
very good, right?
Yes.
Okay.
and
So we're just going to put it there. And I think it's in the slow or fast. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Just be sure that you put the lid.
I've heard stories about
Oh,
sometimes the lid's not attached.
yeah. Be sure that it's there. I'm saving you from a.
Is this, you have to do anything else to it, or that's it?
I think that's it. And now. So we're going to stop, and we're going to have to move it a little bit so the pickles can go.
Now I got to get the lid off.
We want to be sure that it's a slushy kind of like. Oh, you got too excited. I'm sorry. Did you see how excited she got?
I know, because I'm like, it's going to be so good. I need to get it done. So, I can try it.
Okay. So let's put it in here, because now we need to make the other flavor. You can leave just a little bit in the blender. Let's see. Let's put a little bit more. Okay, that's it. And Summer, if you can please put this one in the refrigerator. And now we're going to do the cherry flavor. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, but instead of, we're going to use only 2 cups of ice. And now you see why we're using these. I had to make this in advance. Yes. If not, you will not have your cherry flavored
with our cherry Kool-Aid.
That's right. So now we're going to put 4 of those.
Gonna be good. Gonna be good. You know, I see these. I've never tried these Kool-Aid pickles, but they're pretty popular now.
Yeah. And I don't know. Yeah, it tastes good.
I mean, who doesn't like Kool-Aid?
That's right.
And who doesn't love pickles?
So now we're going to need 1/4 of a cup of the pickle juice.
Oh.
Yeah, we can use that one.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be good. You know, all these recipes we've tried so far have been good. Those pickled cupcakes, the pickled pizza, and now we're having a pickle slushy. I'm telling you what, it's a great day to be enjoying all the pickly foods.
It is.
You know, that's a word, pickly.
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 Pickly. Now I don't know what words I can pronounce and which ones I cannot.
Someone's on the struggle bus over here.
It's okay.
I went too far.
So you see, in this kitchen, everybody gets so excited. Okay. So now we can blend it again. Okay, now we have 2 colors. I see some ice, but...
See, the last time you said I got too excited. I'll tell you what, this right here.
Okay. That's good.
I did it on purpose.
I see that.
We got a good pickle slush here.
Yes. So now we can have the 2. So 2 different colors now, so we can combine them. And that way you will have a pretty combination of, no. When you put it in your...
What about this sugar? Where's that going? We already used sugar? I don't think we used sugar.
Oh my goodness. Did I miss the sugar this time? You know what? I don't see it. Oh, okay. We use the sugar in here.
Okay. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure we didn't leave out an ingredient.
Okay, we're good.
So you put a little bit of that, then put a layer of this.
And then a layer of that. And then make it pretty with your...
I want it to all come barreling out of here.
It's not coming?
We're going to do it this way. Play it safe.
Okay. That's not very fancy, but...
I was afraid it was all going to drip out at one time, and I didn't want that to happen. I mean, heaven forbid we make a mess.
Okay, so now we need to decorate it. Like, it's very fancy. We have toothpicks in here. I'll show you the way they did.
Okay, they did the red one, and then the regular pickle.
I'm even shaking now. Well, that's a big lemon.
I don't know who cut those big lemons.
Oh no, Summer.
Hey, it takes three of us to make it work.
It was me. Look at how pretty. I think I'm gonna clean it here so we can show the beverages. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, look it. This is amazing. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
And because we're in a county kitchen, we did not put any alcohol in there.
Cheers.
So cheers. Okay, I need. This is going to be in my nose.
Poke myself in the eye. I'm gonna leave my lemon right in there.
Delicious. Oh my goodness.
That is really good.
I want some of these eyes. Do we need spoons? You need a spoon or you're good? Okay.
Delicious. Great recipe. I love it.
Thank you so much. So, anything else that you want to tell us about you're eating?
I'm eating a pickle because we have a great pickle recipe, great pickle eating contest. We have all things pickly at North Carolina Pickle Festival.
That's right. So, we're going to see you on April
25, downtown Mount Olive, North Carolina. If you want more information, go to our website, ncpicklefest.org. We're a big deal.
And we'll see you in our next recipe.